been able to make now we've been able to find the totals for each of the months. How about we find the total for each of the items sold for the 4 months? So we're going to try the first method that we did before by placing the cursor here and then clicking on auto sum. Unfortunately, there is an error here. For you who have been paying a lot of attention, you notice that price is selected as part of the unit sold. That is not right. So let's delete this. Unfortunately, it can be a little bit tricky to delete. Usually what I do, I place my cursor on the formula bar and then delete from there and everything is gone. So let's try the second method that we did by actually selecting the months and stopping at the cell where we want the total to be and going ahead to click auto sum. There we have it. We can do the same for each of the months. Auto sum. Another way that we can do this is by using the equal sign, which is mostly what people use. If I use the equal sign, if I open parentheses and I can select the sum the numbers that I want and then close parentheses and then enter. There I have my total units sold for t-shirts. Let's try that again. Enter the equal sign, sum, because we are adding, open parentheses, and then select the cells that I want to include, close parentheses, and then enter. That I have that. So I'm going to do that one more time again. Sorry, do that again. So I'm going to do that again by clicking the equal sign, enter the sum formula, open parentheses, and then selecting the cells, closing parentheses, and then enter. Okay, so now we have the total units sold for each of the item. The next task is to look at the actual amount that we made. What is the subtotal? What is the amount that we made for each month? We can do that by multiplying this cell with the price. So for example, if we put the equal sign and we select cell B4, multiply by G4, and we press enter, we have our amount there. So I'm going to repeat that for the other amount. So we have the price cell for toys equals B5 multiplied by G5. Enter. B6 multiplied by G6. B7 multiplied by G7. Plus sign B8 multiplied by G8. The beauty of this system is that whenever we change anything here, it is reflected in the subtotal. Let's say, for example, the price of toys have changed to $13. You see that the subtotal also changes. Let's also say that maybe we made an error for the price of for the quantity of printing paper sold in month 3. Let's say instead of 57, it is now 60. You can see everything changes as well. To get the total amount that we made, that we sold, we can use the auto sum here as well by using the auto summing formula. So overall, we sold 54,000 297. We're not doing badly at all. This is good. This is good. Meet me on the other side while we continue with this lesson.